Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Kurd with Honorable Mark Saaڤaیا.
My brother.
I saw President pictures over there. You promised me something. I know you are closest friend to him.
I love Baba Masoud. And I'm going to have his picture right here with his signature on it. And I'm going to be with him in that picture. Because that's my dad's dream. That's my dad's dream. He loved Baba Masoud. Number one. And he stay number one.
God bless you.
God bless
America.
Kurdistan.
God bless Kurdistan.
God bless Kurdistan. The best, the best, the best ever. Because I was a kid, I used to go there and eat apples from the tree and the chestnuts and everything good about the air. The air is different. The air is pure, clean. The best people. Love you, man.
Love you too. Thank you. Thank you, my brother. Good luck. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and happy holiday to everyone, and happy, beautiful, wonderful year because of our President, Donald J. Trump.